Normally, it's a responsible AI that ensures the right translation shine. It's like working with an AI writing partner that helps you find the words you need to write that tricky email to get your points across and to keep your work moving. You can sign up for free, you tell it what you want it to do, and to do it for you. It's as simple as that. So you get better writing and better results. So you'll be perfectly professional, clear, and convincing in a few clicks, not a few hours. Get the right text for the right context. It works wherever you are, wherever you work, across all apps or sites you use. No copying, no pasting, no context switching. It never goes out of style, so it has your personal style and your brand style guide to help you find your voice. It's a responsible AI. It does not compromise on security. It doesn't sell your data for it. Instead, they safeguard it. So you have nothing to worry about. You have plans, you can choose a monthly plan or a yearly plan. Usually the yearly plan you save up to 60%, and then you have a free plan for individuals. You not pay anything, you get all this. You have the pro plan, pay $2 per member, and then you get all this. Then you have the enterprise for large organizations. You have to contact sales partner for the price. So it is really, really good. You can see people talking about it. So it's really good.